Growing a company requires a creative strategy. Today's customers not only expect a great experience, but also count on being appreciated for their support. How can you use rewards as part of your incentive strategy? Or better yet, turn it into your greatest asset. It's simple. With Giftbit, our customizable software allows you to incentivize and reward your clients. Buy, send, and track digital gift cards, helping you attract the right people. You can incentivize everything. Yup, everything. From new signups and provider switching to kickbacks, contests, and giveaways, and even incentivizing engagement like meetings and calls. Using Giftbit, you can send rewards in bulk, as one-offs, or integrate seamlessly with the API. Or automate your process using the no-code Zapier integration. You can even make use of our reward marketplace on your own website to offer a variety of brands as gift options. Create meaningful customer relationships with Giftbit.